Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Fruit Verbena Pie in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have this brick surfing cart and you can craft this item using your workbench. And if you want to get this brick surfing cart, you need to have the recipe, of course. I'm going to go to this menu. And here is where you can buy the recipe and also the ingredient or the items for crafting the brick surfing cart. And you're going to buy the food recipe from Masimo, guys. You can find him here and you can buy the Fruit Verbena Pie recipe from him and also the ingredients. And let me show you the ingredients that you need to create or to make the Fruit Verbena Pie. Okay, you need butter and egg and this new vegetable from this event and also the blueberry or the fruit. Wait, let me harvest the vegetable, guys. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, I've just harvested the lemon verbena. You can get the seed from Blanc, and you will need this lemon verbena to make the pie. Okay, now we're going to start to cook the fruit verbena pie. This one. I've already prepared all the ingredients. And wait. Okay, done, and I'm going to open it. Okay, this is how the fruit verbena pie looks like. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the fruit verbena pie in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.